how to make a Google drawing. You have two choices. You can go to File and click New. We actually just scroll over New, and then you can click Drawing. That will make a new tab, and you can start your drawing here, and you'll have all your toolbars. Or while you're in the document you want to put in a drawing, you can click Insert and Drawing. This is the way I like to add my drawings, because if I'm doing a presentation, I can insert the drawing at the moment that I make it, so I don't have to do two steps. So I go to Insert Drawing, and you'll see we have similar actions at the top. Now we don't have the Edit, Insert, Arrange, and all these tools, but we do have all of these on our toolbar still in our Insert Drawing. So if I want to make a bubble map, I'm going to look up here. I've got actions, so I can download when I'm done. I can add word art. I can use something from my web clipboard. And this is my undo button, my redo button. I can zoom here, and I have arrows. I can draw lines, shapes, text box, and images. So if I want to add a shape, I'm going to click Shape, and I want to make a bubble. So I'm going to make a bubble right here. And I'm going to go ahead and insert a text box. So you guys are supposed to make a double bubble map with similarities and differences. So if I type the word, I want to move it over a little bit, I can move it. Okay? And let's say I don't want to have to go in and insert a text box every time. So what I can do is highlight this whole thing and do Command and C if I have a Mac, or Control C if I have a PC, and then Control V or Command V to paste. And that pastes the whole bubble with the word. And I can do it again. Now, one thing you do need to notice is that once I've done this, now if I click right here and start to move, I'm going to end up moving just the bubble and not the word. So if you want to move the bubble and the word, you have to highlight, and now I can move the whole thing. And it gives me some graph line bars to show me what's even. Now, to go ahead and add some lines to this to connect to another bubble, I can just draw the lines like so. Right, and I'll put a bubble right here in the center. Now, if I want to adjust my line, I can pull it and see how it wants to pull it right to that other bubble. And it's showing me the line differences. Oops. You kind of have to click right on the end of it to drag it. There. Okay, so if I wanted to insert an image into this too, I could. I could take a snapshot. Oops. So take a snapshot of myself. Okay. It's a dark picture. Okay, but I could take a snapshot of myself and add it in there if I want to. Right? Or I can do undo and delete the movement, delete the picture. So that's Google Drawing in just a quick thing. So if I click Save and Close, you'll see that that's now on my group bio template. It's added there. If I want to get rid of that, I can still do the undo button and it's gone. If I want it back, I can redo it's back. So Google Drawing is pretty fun. I use it a lot to make presentations, like I said, especially if I want to take a web page screenshot. Let's say I take a screenshot of this. Oops. Let me try that again. Alright, let's say I want to take a screenshot of this and I want to insert it into my drawing. I can I'll have to upload it, and desktop, my most recent screenshot. Okay, so here's what I like to do. if I'm going to give kids tutorials and I say this is what you need to do, and then I can go in and I can draw an arrow. Here is where you go to find insert for your Google drawing, and I can change the color of this right here, right, to bright red. So that's why I like to use it. All right, thank you.